What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be installing the RAD throttle kit. It's right here. It comes with a sheath, bracket, some return springs, and some other miscellaneous stuff. This throttle kit's used on all 2-barrel and 4-barrel RAD carburetors, and it works in both blow-through and draw-through applications. So I didn't realize that I'm using the same sheath that RAD uses. So all we're going to do is put the bracket on the carburetor. That way it holds the whole throttle cable and the sheath. The sheath is actually pretty easy to install. This goes over the stock throttle cable tube that's on the pan, and then this bolts onto the bracket. It's a jam nut, so it jam nuts into the throttle bracket, and then you can just feed your throttle cable all the way through. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right there. That tube on the right is the sheath, and it goes, like I said, right over your throttle cable tube. So now we're just gonna go ahead and take this bolt off, nut, and we're gonna mount the bracket right here. So now we're going to be installing this. It attaches to the throttle linkage, and you see where the throttle cable would go. And all we have to do is trim it, put it in this hole, and set it with the set screw. So I did have one of these, but the kit also comes with one. See, it's in 2 pieces. That's the throttle cable installed with the bracket, and that's pretty much it for the installation for the throttle cable. Now we have to add the return spring that goes right here. So you guys can see right here, it's installed. It is kind of loose, but it does return. I'm gonna trim it probably about 1/4 inch, just snip it and reinstall it. So per the instructions on the RAD website, this spring is supposed to be trimmed for 2-barrel carburetors, but for 4-barrel carburetors, there's no trimming involved of the spring to keep the tension on the carburetor. All right, guys, so now we're gonna see if we have enough travel for the throttle to open and if it hits full throttle. So we got Emmett in here. Go ahead. Now you gotta press it all the way down. Harder. All the way. Is it touching the floor? Yes. Press the gas slowly. All the way to the floor. Go slow. All the way to the floor. Let go. Press it. It's all the way to the floor?
Yeah.
All right, we still got a little bit of travel on there. All right, guys, so I went ahead and replaced the throttle pedal because this stock one did not have enough throw to achieve full throttle on the new carburetor. So I went ahead and installed a new one, an aftermarket one. And now we get full throttle. Go ahead and press it. Let go. Hold it down. So now we have full throttle the whole way. If you guys are going to buy this throttle kit, all the instructions are at the bottom of the product on the website. All right, so that's going to be it, guys. You can modify the stock pedal, but I had that aftermarket one, so that's what I'm going to use, and I'm pretty happy with it.